Let's make this mouth-watering gazebo chicken. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to start off with our chicken. Add in some vinegar, lemon juice, garlic powder, paprika, chilli powder, black pepper and mix in and leave aside. Now to make your gazebo sauce, in a pan, pour in some oil, tomato sauce, paprika, chilli flakes, chilli powder, black pepper and salt, and you give it a mix. Simmer on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the spices mix in nicely, and then leave the sauce aside. Now going back to your chicken, throw in cornflour, beaten egg and mix. Carefully fry the chicken in hot oil, turning occasionally until chicken is cooked through and golden. Place the chicken in a pot. You can also throw in some baby potatoes if you like and pour over the sauce. Now you can leave some sauce aside for when serving. Now mix in everything, making sure the chicken pieces are nicely covered in the sauce. You can also add some red and green peppers. And when you're ready to plate up, drizzle over the remaining sauce and garnish with coriander. Delicious.